Hi! In this video I will show you my journey from losing hair due to male pattern baldness to experiencing new hair growth due to a few hair growth products. In this video we will cover minoxidil and my usage of that. Minoxidil is a topical medication used primarily to treat hair loss. It's available over the counter and as a prescription. When applied to the scalp, minoxidil widens blood vessels, potentially increasing blood flow to hair follicles. This can promote hair growth and slow hair thinning. It's commonly used to address male and female pattern baldness. However, results vary, and continued use is typically required to maintain benefits. Minoxidil comes in liquid or foam formulations and requires consistent application for optimal effects. I started using minoxidil in May 2023. When I started, my hair looked like this. As you can see, I was starting to lose a lot of hair. The fact that this was happening while I am only 25 years old really took a toll on my self-confidence. I understood that something had to be done or that it was time to shave it all off. I started to research about hair growth products and found out about minoxidil. Without knowing much about it, I started to read more and decided to try it out. After using it for 1 month, I experienced a lot of hair shedding, which is a normal phase when using minoxidil. This phase only lasted for a short amount of time, and after it was done, I didn't notice any shedding at all. After 2 months, I saw a lot of new baby hair starting to grow, which made me really happy. I could see hair in my hairline where I hadn't seen any hair in ages, which was a huge stepping stone. After 4 months, the difference was huge. As you can see, I went from balding a lot to not being able to see the bald spot barely at all. I am very happy with the results, and I will keep on using it for further results. Please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to follow my journey on regrowing my hair.